Now to do the loading technique in the front part of the hip while you're lying face up, you're just going to start off in this hook lying position, so your feet are flat, your knees are bent, and then you're going to take the ball and you're going to place it in the area of choice, the target tissue. You can use your hands to apply pressure into that spot, and then you're going to inhale and exhale. And when you exhale, you're going to apply a little bit more pressure with both your hands on that ball, and that ball's pushing into the tissues a little bit more. And once you feel that you're at the spot that you want to work on, you can let the leg drift outward, or you can let the knee go inward. You can straighten out your leg, or you can bend it. If you decide to straighten it out, you can also swivel the whole leg inward or swivel the whole leg outward. So you're rolling in, spinning it outward or inward, trying to see if you can increase the tension or the experience or the sensitivity in the area that you're working on, and just holding that position, and then work on breathing again. You're going to inhale. When you exhale, you're going to try to add a little bit more pressure. So it's a progressive pressure using your hands into the ball and the ball into the tissue.